In this video, I'm going to show you how to set page size in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're planning to print a spreadsheet, changing the page size ensures your data fits the paper correctly. So Google Sheets lets you choose from common paper sizes like letter, A4, legal, and more directly from the print settings. So in order to do this, we want to go ahead and open up the spreadsheet you want to print. Then we need to open the print settings. Now to get to that, click onto File, click onto Print down the bottom. Now on the right hand side, this is where we can go ahead and change our paper size. So we've got common options here is letter A 8.5 by 11 inches, we've got A4, we've got legal, tabloid, A3, etc. We've also got custom size as well. So say if I want to do a A4, I'm going to click onto A4. We can also change the page orientation to portrait or landscape. We can also set the scale and margins here as well. Also set custom page breaks if you got. We've also got formatting. We can show grid lines and notes. And then basically from there, we can go ahead and click on next to print our work if that's what you want to do, or if you just want to change your paper size, this is the best way.